Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am _JujuP. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. If you are new, welcome, and I hope you stay by hitting that subscribe button and hitting the notification button so that you won't miss any new videos. Alright guys, so in this video I will be sharing with you my DIY photo shoot. In this particular photo shoot, we will be taking Easter pictures for Zakai. So I bought a few things here and there and I'm just gonna see what I come up with. So I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased. Not much. A lot of the things I already had at home. I suggest, basically look around your house to see if you have anything that you'd like to use before you even go and buy anything. That will save you a lot of money. So the first thing I had at home that I decided to use is this. I don't know how I'm going to incorporate it. I kind of want to put him in the basket, but we'll see how that works out. The second thing I found around in the house were these like little garland, what are these, plants? And it's about 4 of them. So I'm thinking it would be really cute if I were to like have them hanging down like this. We'll see how that works out too. And then I got these two bags of eggs that I found at Michael's. You could definitely find these for way cheaper, like the plastic ones or whatever. But I kind of liked this this style. They have like little specks of gold in them. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought it was really cute, and the colors as well, they weren't so like bright and stuff. And then I found these at 5 and Below. They were $1 each, so pretty cheap. I did a combination of greens and blues, so that's that. I also have this, I'm thinking about incorporating it, not sure where. So this photo shoot is definitely going to be an improvised one. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go with the flow, and if I feel like I need to step out and buy more things, I will. All right, so I went back out and I got these 3 things. I bought this from Target, this from TJ Maxx, as well as that. And I'm gonna try to keep the tags on these 2 because I'm returning them. So I wanna start off by hanging these first. So I'm thinking it's going to be easy to hook the 2 at the end because I already have hooks placed there to hold this backdrop. I have a ladder, but I'm super lazy right now. I'm just gonna use what I have in this one. Ooh, you know what? And to put up the ones that I don't have a hook for, I'm using these little thingy majiggies and just sticking them through the wall. From the looks of it, I'm not sure if I'm going to like these all the way at the end because I do not plan on showing the outer portion of the backdrop. So I might have to move these in and have a more center arrangement. Let's see. easier on yourself, you could definitely go ahead and measure out and mark it with a pencil or something. Not for me. Alright, so that looks pretty good. This is super cute. This is giving me Garden of Eden vibes. So like you want to do like a photo shoot where you're like kind of naked or something. You have like 2 leaves, you know, just covering here and stuff with a nice little halo thingy-majiggy. That'd be so bomb, but I don't have the body for it. I should so do it though. I don't know how Greg would feel about it though. But if you want to arrange these like more like, I don't know, if you want to like do this, you can use your little pins and stick them on there if you don't mind doing excessive holes on the wall. The good thing about these is that the holes aren't that big. How cute is this? Come and see, babe. Mad cute. Come and see.
You put it inside that basket.
What?
What do you put in
I don't know. I'm just improvising. Looking so far, and I'm starting to think that I might have bought more things than I needed, but we'll see tomorrow once I actually have him there and, you know, see how it actually looks with him in the picture. We might add some more stuff, we might not. Let's see. Hey baby, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby. Go 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 gaga.
Hey buddy, hey buddy.
Go 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 go. He's like, you know what?
It look good though.
Yeah. You gonna eat the carrot? You're gonna eat the carrot? He's like, you know what? Baby, 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 baby. Hey, baby. I love it. I love it. Chupong, 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 baby, baby, baby. Why are you not laughing with us today? We're not funny today? We're not funny today? No? Yo, you going to town? Oh, Tito. All right. Let's take a break. Child labor. Let's take a break. Make sure to put a bib on the child because if they drool on it, it's over. So yeah, it's nappy time.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. So the baby had to take a nap because he is cranky. You know him take his little 5-10 minute nap, and then we'll take our family pictures together. So yeah. So far, it's been great, but it's definitely a lot of work. You got to make sure the baby's not moving around. Try to catch him when he's smiling. The little bit he gave us because he was so like not in his element. And then, of course, big tip, mommies, make sure that your child is fed, but you got to give him some time to, you know, process his milk and stuff, because I made the mistake of feeding him and I waited like 10 minutes trying to give him time, but that was not enough time. When we got to the shoot, I'm acting like I went somewhere. When we got to the room and we started taking pictures, he ended up throwing up, but I was smart. I wasn't that dumb. I made sure that I put on the outfit that didn't have the top, so that if he were to throw up, it'd be on like his skin. So it wasn't a big deal, but I would assume it would be a big deal if you put on like a full blown out outfit and your child was to throw up on it. Be careful. So I would say maybe 30 minutes. Well, only you know how fast your child will process the food, and once he's past that phase of like wanting to throw up. So now it's mommy and daddy time to take photos. Follow our Instagram to see, well, follow my Instagram to see the pictures, okay? Hey, come on. Asia, baby. Asia. Asia, baby. Asia. Why you being so mean today, huh? We supposed to take cute pictures and you being mean. That's not nice. You so mean today. Why are you being so mean today? All right, y'all. So that's a wrap. Zakai's being cranky even after his nap. He don't sleep for like, what, 30 minutes? He's still being cranky. But we managed to get some cute pictures. So like I said earlier, make sure to stay tuned. Well, follow us on Instagram to see all of our pictures. Bye.